So now I am at the bridge. And my little egret friend. You see the photographer down there. Look at the shot of this. Here's the egret again. There's a nice bird over there. The egret. Okay, I'm on top of that beautiful bridge. There she goes. She got a fish. Or yep, she got it. Or close to it. She's definitely hunting for fish. And here goes a bunch of ducks. Or maybe I'm seeing things. Oh yeah, there is a duck just went by. Just stretch her neck out. She's looking at something. Beautiful tree. She's in some kind of position. And there's the background music. In the middle of New York, there's this magical bird. Look at this photograph. The photographer's dream, so all the photographers in my way. Look at that. Father, you are so beautiful. focus on nature. Got him. Go girl, go girl. She got it. Yahoo! Where'd you go? Got 3 fish so far. So far. She's good. Look, it's supposed to be good territory. All the ducks are here too. That was neat. I caught her catch two. I missed the first one. I saw it, but I didn't catch it. But she's just posing for everybody. And with that jazz music, I got great shots of her walking to the music. It just appeared as if she were dancing to it. It's a very musical walk. And she's not distracted by anything. She's looking for food, and that's it. The duck go floating by. She don't even see them. She's just concentrated. So beautiful. I got so many beautiful shots. With the reflections of the trees and her little reflection. Look at that reflection under her.
Yeah.
That's stunning. And get another one. She eats those birds whole. I mean those fish whole.